Ever wondered how you could earn money in your sleep? Picture this. You wake up, check your bank account, and find it a little more filled than when you went to bed. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, this is the reality for many people who sell digital products. Digital products, unlike physical goods, are created once and sold repeatedly with no need for inventory or shipping logistics. Plus, here's the kicker. You don't even have to create them yourself. So buckle up as I guide you through 3 exciting ideas for digital products that can generate passive income, even for beginners. First up, we have planners. These are a hot ticket in the digital product world. Planners help people manage tasks, appointments, goals, and commitments. With people planning everything from their weekly meals to their yearly budgets, the demand for these organizational tools is high. So how can you get started creating planner books as a beginner? Platforms like Canva make it simple to design your own planner templates. If you're not a designer, don't worry. You can find ready-made designs on Creative Fabrica. Next, consider paper notebooks. These can be anything from gratitude journals to recipe books. The possibilities are endless, and there's a niche notebook market for almost anything you can think of. Just like with planners, you can create your own designs using Canva or download templates from Creative Fabrica. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about print-on-demand products. These are items like t-shirts, coffee mugs, and phone cases that get printed only after a customer places an order. You can create your own designs or again find ready-made ones on Creative Fabrica. From there, simply upload your designs to print-on-demand websites like Redbubble or Teespring, and they'll handle the printing and shipping. It's a hassle-free way to earn passive income. To sum it all up, selling digital products is a fantastic way to generate passive income online. With platforms like Creative Fabrica, you can start earning money right away, even as a beginner. And the best part? No copyright concerns to worry about. So why wait? Start your passive income journey today with Creative Fabrica. And remember, the world of digital products is vast and ever growing. There's always room for more creators, and there's always room for you.